Oh, Vader, we're almost there! I can't believe we're here. I can't believe that very soon we're going to be inside that building watching the Super Bowl live right in front of us. Yeah, well, I know my Bears aren't in it, but neither is your team, Vader. Because it's my team, bro. I'm going to represent. And my relish brand. Can't forget that. I love my relish brand. You know, I don't know. I mean, the Chiefs are great. I like the Eagles. I never really thought about it. Yeah, me either. I can't wait to tweet everybody like, hey, suckers, enjoy watching it from home. I'm actually here. What do you mean I'm gonna be watching it from home? You only bought one ticket? Vader, you had me drive all the way out here from LA just for you to go, for me to watch it at the Airbnb or a bar? Put all my trust and all my faith in you, and this is what I get? Just when I thought you couldn't get any worse. You know what? Have fun. Have fun watching it in that dome. I hope it's too hot for you to stand. I hope you get lost in there. I hope your team loses. And guess what? You won't get to watch the commercials like I will. Ha ha! Have fun, loser.